Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Amanda. For anyone who's new here today, I'm Amanda. This is my channel. Make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, thumbs down if you don't. Leave me a comment in the description box. This is the second video I'm taping today. I'm so excited because when you come home to mail after the worst day ever, I got my Ipsy bag, which looks like it's open. I didn't open this yet. So let's see. So this is February 2019 Ipsy bag unboxing. Or unbagging, because it all comes in a bag. So for anybody who doesn't have Ipsy, it is $10 a month American. So that's US. I'm in Canada. It costs me a little bit more. It's about $15 every month. So every month I get a package from them, usually around this time of the month. So it's the 22nd today. It's going to come with the card that's going to give you a description of what comes in it and their sample size, usually maybe some full size. So this one is Swoon So Hard. So this says there's lots of love this month. Aside from your 5 personalized picks, flip more on those. Let us introduce you to your next beauty crush. So this website does have add-ons, and you can get cash back and stuff, and you can get them at discounted prices. It's pretty neat. I've never ordered anything from the website, but I do like the bags. So this is this month's bag. I also like it because I lose my stuff. And I need bags of stuff because I carry stuff everywhere, like essential oils, all that stuff. So these are so handy to have. I'm pretty excited for this month, actually. So the first thing we have is, I don't know how to say that. I think it's Siat. I don't know. So it's London. It's called the Glow 2 Highlighter. So this is just a single highlight. I do have a palette upstairs that I can pop this into. So we're just gonna bust this bad boy out. Or break it, you know, whatever. Not a big deal. So that's it. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's a little rough feeling, but ooh, that's shiny. I don't know how I feel. I like the way it's sitting on my hand. It seems powdery. It'll be different with a brush. So this is gonna be something. This is an upcoming. I'll put this in an upcoming video. This will be probably a try on with me. So I'm really excited for that. And you know what? There's been a lot of people saying, Ipsy, is it worth it? Is it not worth it? I haven't not been happy. I haven't done it for very long. This is probably month 4 or 5. But so far I'm pretty happy with what I get. Because it's not a lot of money. Ooh, next is a MAC item. So this is the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. So this is a powder foundation, and I don't know how to open it. It's just so you guys know, I suck at editing, so I'm just not even going to bother right now. Right now, what I want to do is I want to get my content out there for you, and ooh, this is neat. So, it's so tiny. Like, look at that. Like, beside my finger. And it comes with a little sponge. So this is in the shade. Oh, you know what? That might actually... It looks like it might actually work for my skin tone. We'll just have to give it a little bit of a try. What the heck's on my face? Sorry. So yeah, I don't know about that, but this is something I will definitely test out because, like, that's so funny because it's so small, but I don't care. It's something to try. And that's why I like Ipsy, and that's why I like BoxyCharm, and that's why I like all that stuff. Because I would never, ever pick up a powder foundation because it's just not what I'm used to. But this might work for me, and if this does work for me, maybe I'll go buy it. So, ooh, next up, oh, this looks cool. So this is the Alternative Rock Volume 1 Shadow Fard. Okay, so this is by The Balm. So it's called Take It for Granite, and I do believe that this is an eyeshadow. Now, this is my one downside with this box, is it seems that I'm getting a lot of, like, single pan items. Yeah, so, but this one comes in a nice little box. So this is, ooh, this is gonna be so flippin' pretty. Look at that. Don't even want to put it near the highlight because I just want to put it on its own. It feels nice. I have not actually used anything. Oh, that looks really nice. That's gonna look nice on the eyes. So I'm definitely excited for this. This is probably the most exciting thing for me out of all of this. Like, I'm excited for the MAC. It's super tiny. It's not going to last very long. I'm excited for the highlighter, but I like that. I kind of like the packaging. That's kind of neat. Next, we have, okay, so what the heck is this? This is Perfume, which I will never use, but that's fine. So I'm going to bust it out anyways. This is the Kenzie Life Beat Perfume. So that's it right there. It's nice. It smells nice. The only reason I'm not going to use this is because I don't wear perfume. I use essential oils as my fragrance, and that's fine. Like, if people that use perfume, that's fine. I've never wore perfume. It's just not my thing. So I've always tried to wear perfume, and I never was able to stick with it. And because I use my essential oils every day, I have no need to. But I do have a stepdaughter and a niece who love makeup and perfumes and all that fun stuff. They're teenagers, so this is right up their alley. So that's going to go into a box of fun stuff for them. And last but not least, I got a brush, which is actually, ooh, it's not what I was expecting. This is the Luxe II Brush. This is their 243 Precision Blending Brush. So you can see that. It's just a small, oh my God, I got makeup all over my hands. So that's actually, you know what's funny? So I have a couple upcoming videos as soon as I get my packages for Shop Miss A haul. And it's funny because they have their AOA brushes. I don't know which ones they are, but they have a blending brush just like this one. And it is my favorite blending brush, like, in the whole world. Like, I'm sorry, my hand was right there. Sorry. It's like my favorite brush in the whole world. So I just love it so much. So we'll be putting this to the test. So tell me what you thought of this in the comments. Did you like it? Are you going to try Ipsy? Do you use Ipsy? Just let me know. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who comes and watches my videos. Give me thumbs up if you like it. That's really all I can ask for. And remember, look, I have shiny things here. And I have lots of fun stuff. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.